Now we've blown up the premium here just to make a quick comment about where we're headed. We've been testing this level at 28.77, which is the high for the day. You can see where we were on the premium at this point in time. Then we tested it again. We were at a higher high, 122. We managed to pull back some, but look at what happened to the premium as we did. Here and here. Big divergence in the premium. Up we went again, all the way up to 76.75 here, and then we just moved up again to 28.77, and we're here. But now look at what's happened. Look at where the premium is right now. We were at 122 the last time we were up at this level. Look at where we are now. Okay, we should be able to hit a higher high here, but when we do, we're going to wind up getting into a lower high on the premium, and that's likely going to bring this thing down again because we're much lower. Okay, 122 was where the premium was. We're way below that right now. Way below. So if we manage to get into a higher high here, that would be a potential good time to short this again as soon as that move completes. We're getting sell signals on SPY. This is the chart. We're divergent up here. We're going lower here. We're also getting sell signals here. We're quite divergent if you look at it from this standpoint. Look at where we're at here. Oops, I'm sorry, we're on the wrong screen. Hold that thought. There we are. We're at a much lower high here. So this is going to turn. We're getting a lot of sell signals in here. And watch the volume. We need to see that volume go negative. And as we do, we should be able to see this thing really begin to drop. Okay, here we go. Look at the numbers right over here. We're still outpacing the buyers. And there's still a lot of repair below this level, although the profile right now does not look very promising. The profile does not look very promising. Okay, we'll come back to this in a few minutes, see if this in fact materializes. All right, it certainly does appear as if it's materializing now. Now we've got a line here at 74.50 roughly. Let's see why. it comes to the classic read of the premium, we should be in a direct relationship. Higher lows on the Spoos, higher lows on the premium. Look at this right here. Okay, right there. $41. 51 here, 41 here, lower low on the premium, higher low on the ES. That shouldn't happen. That indicates a potential area for correction. And given this situation here, we have good reason to anticipate that this market will continue to move down. Okay, so that did exactly what we expected it to do. Dropped down to that level, making for a nice short. And as you can see, the low here, all right, the low in here on the premium is really quite low. It's right back down to 41 as it was before on the pivot. And so this is actually a higher low from that standpoint, because the previous low, we're just going to get out of that position. That low was at 41 here, and now we're back at 41 there at a lower low. So that really constitutes a divergence, and therefore we want to be out of that position. But what we will frequently see take place here, just to conclude the point, is that this will move up and then it'll come back down and test it, because this is a real, the averages are quite low here in comparison to where we've been. The averages are quite low. So to get a true divergence on the premium, we ought to come back down, test that level, and then possibly go back to, if not lower than where we just were. So that was a nice nice short in there, and one that was pretty obvious that was going to take place, all because of the premium. So with that thought in mind, again, we'll just wrap up this quick video. I'm Rod Kusanen, Spooman for Risk.